In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack for your video communications in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Slack or just looking to maximize your experience, you'll soon be navigating through your video huddles like a pro. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Slack website. Slack is an incredibly powerful tool for work management and productivity. It offers many features that can enhance your team collaboration, and today we'll focus on video communications. Simply open your web browser and go to Slack's homepage. This is your starting point for harnessing the full potential of this platform. Once you're on the site, the next step is signing in. If you're like many of us who have embraced the convenience of Google's ecosystem, you'll appreciate the Sign In with Google feature. It makes the process swift and simple. Click on the option to sign in with Google, which will take you through a secure process to get you into your Slack workspace. If you're already logged into your Google account, this will be a breeze. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is your command center where all interactions happen. The dashboard is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to transition easily between conversations and tasks. It's a great idea to familiarize yourself with this space if you haven't already. Now, for some interaction within channels. Channels are where the magic happens in Slack, acting as dedicated spaces for team conversations. On your dashboard, click on any channel you wish to engage with. Channels can be organized by teams, projects, or any topic that suits your workflow. Being able to quickly access these channels keeps your communications organized and efficient. As you're exploring a channel, you might notice a little more you can do thanks to the More Options button. By clicking on this button, you can customize your interaction within the channel. Whether it's to manage notifications, read through message archives, or explore integrations, these options are integral for tailoring the Slack experience to your specific needs. Finally, it's time to start a video huddle. In the modern workplace, video calls have become essential, and Slack provides a seamless way to initiate them right within your workspace. Click on the option to start a video huddle. Huddles are spontaneous and meant for quick syncs, making them perfect for collaborating without the formality of a scheduled meeting. Dive in, connect with your team face to face, and enjoy smooth video collaborations. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned the essentials of using Slack for video communication. With these steps, you're now equipped to enhance your team's collaboration and productivity. Thanks for joining me today, and happy collaborating on Slack.